Hello there, it's me, Chris Turner. Would you like a freestyle rap about why, if you're in the hospitality industry and your website's not generating bookings, you should go to boostly.co.uk? I think you do. Let's do this. Make up some rhymes. There's no lines, I'm just making up the rhymes. Boostly.co.uk web design, they're the market leader, dominate impunity. When it comes to hospitality, no immunity. Airbnb and booking, taking all your money. That's not nice, you like bees to the honey, bees to the hive, bees to the pollen to the nectar. I'm just saying, make your website more respectfully designed. They can do it for you. Get more heads on their beds, that's true. Turn lookers into bookers when they're there. They'll be like, I be admiring this website. You can get a money back guarantee. Give them a call. It's what you got to lose. It's the best of them all. And the guests will give you all the cash that you need. And therefore, your hospitality shall succeed. Posh.